So I've been in the content game for 15 years, and I have seen so many talented people with great businesses, great offers, and great content all just give up and quit. And almost every time it's because they made the same mistake. They never sold in their content. And it's mostly because selling makes them uncomfortable. They feel salesy or pushy, or the worst of them all, sleazy. But there are ways to sell with your content without feeling like you're just promoting your shit. Ways that you can create content that you really love, but also builds curiosity around your products and services. And I'm going to share 5 of these ways right now in this video. So number 1 is you want to talk about the things that you are working on with your clients. And you can literally walk through everything that you just did in a recent client meeting. Let me show you an example of how this works. So the hook for this video is going to be, here's my number 1 tip to get leads using workshops. So I met with a client yesterday and he was really bummed out because he ran a workshop that didn't generate any leads. So during our session, we created a plan, but this time we're going to take the following steps to make sure that he leaves with leads. And then obviously you're going to go and give those steps. All right, so here is the second way that you're going to sell in content, and it's piggybacking right off of that first example, except instead of telling what you're doing with the client and the process, you are going to show the outcome. Here it is using the exact same example. So the hook for this video is how my client closed 2 deals from his most recent workshop. You're going to start the video the same way. My client was really bummed out because he ran a recent workshop and he didn't get any leads. So we started working on this approach where he was going to do this, this, and this instead. And the result was he ended up with 2 new clients. All right, so the third way to sell with content is to show a sneak peek of your process. People love behind the scenes because it makes them feel like they're actually there. So record a one-to-one session with a client, record a workshop that you're doing, or even record just a meeting with your own team. And then use that footage to create clips that give people an inside look. I actually record all of my one-to-one client film sessions. There's this one video that I have shown in 100 sales calls because it gives a really good look into the process and gives people an opportunity to get a feel for what that process looks like. And this video has helped me to close a lot of clients. Now, the fourth way to sell through content is to just add a simple call to action that you can plug into any post that you make. It's literally just a single line value proposition plus instructions on what you want the viewer to do. I'll give you mine as an example. I make video fast, easy, and fun for founders who want to drive revenue on LinkedIn and beyond. DM me to book a call or just hit the link in my bio. Literally stick this at the bottom of any post. It's just a reminder to people to show them who you help, how you help them, and how they can reach out to you. And the last one, number 5, is to just suck it up and talk about your offer already. If you consistently create valuable content that educates and entertains your viewers, and you spend time engaging and interacting with them on the platform, you have earned the right to sell. It really is as simple as that. It's the people who only post promotional content or who don't post content at all and just spam you in the DMs. Those are the people that haven't earned it. You have. So take these 5 tips, start using them, and don't be one of the millions of people that quit and give up and go back to whatever boring job they were doing before because they were too afraid to actually sell in their content. Look, you've got this. I'm rooting for you. Follow me, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I will make sure that you never quit and that you continue to do what you need to do to promote your business and make great content and have some fun doing it. See ya.